Let's talk about the feedback sandwich. Do you use it? Do you not use it? How do you use it? So the feedback sandwich is typically when you give someone feedback, you start with a positive, then you add a negative or constructive, the part that you really want them to know about, and then you end it with a positive. So that constructive, negative feedback is cushioned by two positive items, right? Does it work? Some people think it lessens the blow. Me, personally, I think that people will just fixate on that negative constructive item and they forget about all the good things that they do. So I would use it differently. So for example, what some people do is they'll give a feedback sandwich by saying, like, hey, you're doing a really good job on your marketing materials. I'm really happy that you're on the team and all these positive things. But, your communication, I haven't been getting these responses from you and it's kind of hard to work with you because XYZ. But you know what? We're happy that you're on the team. I know you can do great and so on, right? So there's that positive, that constructive negative, and that positive. Most people will just fixate on that negative, right? So another way that you can use the feedback sandwich to your advantage and make it more beneficial to the employee is by using transition words. So for example, hey, you're doing really well in creating those marketing materials. I appreciate how you're using the color schemes and brandings that we've created. Moving forward, I think a way that you can be even more effective in your job is by doing XYZ, is by making sure that we're using these branding templates that we've also created and so on. I know that you can do it. I've seen you done it before. I'm super excited about the next few weeks, this new project. So just let me know if you need any more help, right? So I still did a positive. I did a constructive and a positive, but the transition words were different. When I started in that positive, I said, transition to constructive. I said, moving forward, or what I like to see moving forward, what I like to see differently, what I like you to try next time, right? That transition word. And then you end it with, I know you can do it. This is going to be great for the team. I'm here to support you. Just re-emphasize your support for them. So that's how I would use the feedback sandwich to make it more effective.